Avant Lending Review. Avant accepts applicants with credit scores as low as 580, significantly lower than the national average. That's the good news. The not-so-good news is that applicants may pay a high interest rate and a loan origination fee of 0% to 4.75%. Plus, Avant charges a late fee of $25 and a returned check fee of $15. Avant lending requirements. Have a monthly income of at least $1,200, can include alimony, child support, or other maintenance. Have a credit history that includes at least one account. Be able to apply on their own, no joint applications or co-signers are accepted. Live in any state except for Hawaii, Iowa, Maine, New York, Vermont, or West Virginia. What makes Avant lending different? Avant is one of the few credible lenders willing to loan money to those with poor credit scores. Loan amounts range from $2,000 to $35,000, making it possible to borrow a relatively small amount of money and pay it back quickly. Achieve Personal Loan Review. Formerly known as Freedom Plus, Achieve requires applicants to have a minimum credit score of 620. Customers can borrow between $5,000 to $50,000. Terms stretch from 24 to 60 months. Borrowers can also count on paying an origination fee of 0% to 4.99%. The low end of the interest rate is not out of line with other lenders, particularly for borrowers with good rather than excellent credit. Achieve loan requirements. Must be 18 years of age or older in most states, must be at least 19 in Alabama or Nebraska. Must be a U.S. citizen or permanent resident. Must have a social security number. Must provide proof of income. Must have a verified bank account. What makes Achieve loans different? Achieve gives applicants with a fair credit score another option to consider. The rates are not the lowest and the fees can be costly, but it's an option that may allow a person to cover the cost of replacing their transmission or repairing tree damage. Best Egg Loan Review. Best Egg borrowers can apply for $2,000 to $50,000. However, the loan will not be cheap. In addition, the only applicants offered the lowest rate must have a FICO score of at least 700 and earn a minimum of $100,000 annually. The high end of the rate will be prohibitively expensive for many borrowers. Best Egg also charges an origination fee of 0.99% to 8.99%, another factor that can make its loans expensive. Loan terms range from 36 to 60 months. Best Egg lending requirements. Must have a minimum credit score of 550. Proof of income is required. Must have a U.S. address. Must have a valid social security number. Debt to income, DTI, ratio, including mortgage, must be 65% or less. Must live in any U.S. state except Iowa, Vermont, West Virginia, or U.S. territories. What makes Best Egg personal loans different? One bright spot for Best Egg is the fact that loan proceeds are often in the borrower's bank account as soon as the following day. Not all lenders can say the same. Discover Personal Loan Review. The Discover Personal Loan is available in all 50 states plus Puerto Rico. Loan amounts range from $2,500 to $40,000. While $40,000 may not be enough to complete a remodeling project, it should be more than enough to cover a 50th anniversary party, wedding, or emergency situation. Discover charges no origination fee, saving borrowers money upfront. Currently, terms range from 36 to 84 months. Discover loan lending requirements. Minimum credit score of 660 is required. Applicant must earn at least $25,000 annually. Must be 18 years of age or older. Must be a U.S. citizen or permanent resident. What makes Discover Personal Loans different? One thing that sets the Discover Personal Loan apart is its 30-day guarantee. If a borrower experiences a change in circumstances or even a change in heart, they have up to 30 days to refund the loan in full without paying any interest.